What's up, Shoe Care Academy? I am Mark's Premium, and today we're going to be working on these Travis Scott Mocha Lows. Today we're going to be cleaning these up with our essential shoe cleaning kit and some additional products. For before and after purposes, we'll be cleaning one shoe, so we'll set the left shoe to the side. Before we get started, we're going to take out our shoelaces and insert our shoe tree. Shoe trees are in. Before we get started cleaning, we are going to dry brush the suede to remove any surface dirt. The main point of dry brushing is so we don't take the surface dirt and push it deeper into the materials. Now we're going to start with 2 squirts of solution into our bowl of water. The first brush we're going to use is the soft bristle brush so we can evenly clean the suede. When cleaning suede, it is important to evenly saturate the material to avoid watermarks. Our suede is looking much better. Now we're going to move on to our medium bristle brush to hit the leather swoosh and our midsoles. Wham bam, thank you ma'am. All done with the medium bristle brush. Now we're going to move on to our stiff bristle brush to hit the midsoles and the outsoles. The stiff bristle brush is perfect for getting in the cracks of the crevices of the outsole. Shoes all cleaned up, last thing to do is the laces. Now that the laces are done, we're going to allow the shoe to dry for the next couple of hours. Now that the sneaker is dry, everything looks good, we have no watermarks. We are going to reset the suede with the dry suede kit. I'm using the suede eraser to remove any remaining stains on the suede. Now we're going to switch over to the soft bristle brush to cover more surface area. When resetting suede on a sneaker, you want to move your brush back and forth until you achieve your desired results. Now that the shoe's all laced up, our final step is to spray it with some mink oil and brush it in. When spraying mink oil, you want to use light coats to avoid oversaturating the material. Mink oil is great for conditioning suede and leather. We're going to use a microfiber towel to wipe off the excess mink oil on the non-porous materials. Now that the sneaker is all done, let's check out the before and afters. We used the essential kit and the dry suede, and then we followed up with the mink oil. You can find all these products at reshoevn8er.com. Use my link down in the description to save some money. If you liked today's video, leave a thumbs up. If you're new here, subscribe down below. I'll be seeing you guys soon.